So first of all, let's pray for those who are affected by the terrible bushfire here in Australia. I would like to share this video with everyone who's got issues with the smoke, and hope this is going to help you. So all you need is a milk crate and a high-speed fan, or whatever fan you can get, and a bath towel. And the first thing is to wet the bath towel and make sure it's not dripping, and wrap the damp towel around the crate. The general idea is to maximize the surface area of the towel filter so it can catch as much soot in the air as possible. Also quite important is to have the filter standing on some kind of rack. So I'm just putting one of my camping stools upside down. So there are 5 surfaces that can let air go into the filter. And after around 30 to 40 minutes, the towel is going to be completely dry. So do make sure you wash the towel, and so the captured soot can be washed off with water. If it becomes too dry, and you can spray some water on the towel between washes. All right. Anyways, please stay safe, and hope this video is helpful.